If you're having problems using AirDrop on your MacBook, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can just do. So what you want to do first is to go to your menu bar over here, and you want to just start on checking on things like Bluetooth. Go on the Bluetooth icon over here, just click on it once, and then you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. The next thing you want to do is right next to the Bluetooth icon, there is the AirDrop icon over here. You just click on it once, and you want to make sure that it is turned on, right? So if it's off, you just click on the switch and then you turn it on, and then it will give you the options depending on who you are sending to or you want to receive from. If it's not on contacts only, you can click on everyone, and then it gives you permission to AirDrop for 10 minutes to either another MacBook or another iPhone, or if someone wants to send to you, then you can put it back on contacts only. The other thing you want to check on is Wi-Fi. You're going to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. If it's off, you can just go ahead and then click the switch to turn it on. Another way you can also use to check on your AirDrop if you're having problems with it is to go to System Settings over here. You click on the Apple icon, and then you go to System Settings over here, and you want to go to your network. After network, you go to Firewall. You want to click on Options. And then you want to make sure here block all incoming connections is switched off, because if it is on, it makes sure that it blocks all incoming connections except those required for basic internet services. So here AirDrop will be blocked if this is turned on, so you want to turn it off. I already have it off just like that. You can make sure that your MacBook is up to date by just going here where you see your name, and then check if there's any updates that you need to update. Maybe your MacBook or your version of MacBook is not up to date. You can just go ahead and then update it. And then whilst we're still in System Settings right here, you can also just sign in and sign out of your Apple ID. It can also be affecting your AirDrop. Another alternative that you can have to find AirDrop is to just go to the dock right here at the bottom of your screen, and then click on Finder. So you want to scroll all the way down until you get to AirDrop under Location. Sometimes this little button can hide this and you won't be able to find it. So you just want to go to where you see Locations, then click on this little arrow where my pointer is, and then the options will now go over here. So you get iCloud, and then you get your home, and then AirDrop. You just want to click on AirDrop, and then you want to make sure that you come here where you see AirDrop lets you share instantly with other people. So over here you get this drop down little menu over here. You just click on it, and then you get three options. Either you want to share with no one, contacts only, or everyone. The moment I go contacts only, my phone is right next to me. I have it switched on. Then whoever that you're trying to send to, or whoever's trying to send to you, will pop up over here. Then you can receive files from them. Then the other thing that you can also do over here is to restart your MacBook. Sometimes it's stuck, and that is why you cannot get AirDrop options. Again, you stay here on this Apple icon. You just click on restart, and then it will restart and refresh your MacBook. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.